which is, and your Windows might be also that Windows 7.
No, it is Windows 10. But it is
See if it
very yeah.
See, if it is Windows 10, then I
Yeah.
prefer that NetBeans will be heavy software, but you can install Eclipse.
Okay,
NetBeans
Eclipse.
would be heavy, but you can install Eclipse or IntelliJ. You can try with this too. Eclipse
Okay.
would be much lighter compared to others. So just try this software, okay?
Okay, I will try it.
Because it has to be done. Otherwise, you won't be able to complete the tutorials. And even if if you are present here, you are paying the attention in lab lectures, that's fine. But unless and until you don't do it, it would be very difficult to remember it for longer time. सो आई इंसिस्ट कि आज चलो आज कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में हो जाएगा तो आज तो करना. एंड मीनवाइल व्हेन वील मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम नेक्स्ट मंडे, तब तक आप इक्लिप्स इंस्टॉल कर देना. ठीक है?
Okay, I will try it.
ओके ओके. मीत, is it all set?
Yes, ma'am.
मीत?
Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે. એટલે યસ મેમ એટલે હું અટેન્ડન્સ નથી લેતી. હા, લેપટોપ ને નેટબીન્સ ને બધા આઈડીઝ રેડી છે? જસ્ટ આઈ વોન્ટ
Ready
ટુ.
છે, madam.
હા
Ready છે.
હા. ઓકે ઓકે. પરિતા, all set?
Yeah, ma'am.
Good, good. So I think till only Bharat cannot perform the experiments today because OS has been crashed. Rest, I think majority of you can do it. Pranav, all set?
Yes, ma'am. Eclipse and XAMPP both.
Fine, fine, fine. Reshma?
Yes, ma'am, all set.
Fine. Rutvik?
Yes, ma'am, all set.
Very good. Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am.
સરસ. શિવાની?
Yes,
શિવાનીનું તો મેં જોયું હતું. ફાઇન ફાઇન, શી વોઝ હેવિંગ ગ્રેટ. વૈભવ?
Yes, ma'am. Both NetBeans and XAMPP.
Great. And last but not least, Yash?
Yes, ma'am. All set.
Great. ચલો, એ બેચમાં કદાચ કોઈ દિવસ વાંધો નહીં આવે. A great batch to start with. Okay. Still there are 2 students absent. Hardik is not there, right, today? Can anyone contact Hardik?
Ma'am, he's in another batch.
But this lab showing, okay, he's another batch. Fine. Then Shubhra? It is showing a batch only. Shubhra is there? No, she's.
Ma'am, he went for Poland exchange program and
Okay,
this
he
subject
was with.
covered
Fine,
there.
fine. Ayush છે, પ્રણવ છે, પરિતા, ઋત્વિક, હર્ષ પણ છે. Harsh is not there, right? Harsh છે.
I'm here, ma'am.
Yeah. Ishani is not there, correct? Can anyone contact Ishani if she is in this batch? Try to contact her if she is in this batch and tell her to join quickly. Okay, so without wasting time, let me start with today. So what we did last time, I think we did 2 programs. Let me recall those programs. And let me present my screen. Yes, so I think we did these 2 programs, server and TCP server and TCP client. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Simple connection between server and server socket and server socket, where you are specifying the destination, that is localhost right now for our case, and the port number from where you can enter transfer the data. Then You are creating a stream on which the data will be first shifted, and that stream will take the data from your machine to the server and then server to your machine. So that is the pathway between the server and client. And that was a simple, this was not a two-way communication, it was just one-way communication, was where client is sending telling something, that hello server, and server is just printing what the client was telling. So I think this was a one-way communication between these two, a server and a client. Any doubt with this? Anyone? Today I want to see the output of each and every one of you. Whether you are doing it in command prompt, whether you are doing it in Eclipse, NetBeans, any IDE today, but I want to see the output of each and every one of you. So tell me, is there any doubt in TCP? This was a TCP communication where you first establish the connection and then do read and write. But before proceeding further in TCP, is there any doubt, anyone? Shall I proceed with the next program? No doubt. Great, Harsh. Sorry.
Ma'am, one doubt here. Ma'am, we can create two client and one server can communicate at a time?
Yes. At a time means?
With different means two client send request at a time to server. Different ports using.
Let us try then. Then that was all together.
Ma'am, I think I tried it, but it's not work.
Why? Because why I'm telling you, because your destination would be same machine, right? Local host.
Okay.
So
yes.
right now when you are doing this, your internal server which is there, that is only one.
Okay.
In real time માં તમારું બે પાથ માં જઈ શકે. બટ અત્યારે આપણે સિનારીઓ શું છે કે આપણું એક જ જગ્યાથી જે આપણું સર્વર છે, કાં તો ઇન્ટરનલ મશીનનું તમારું ઓએસ નું સર્વર છે જે માઇક્રોસોફ્ટ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે, IIS સર્વર, અથવા તો તમે ઝેમ્પ યુઝ કરતા હો, એ સર્વર જે બી હોય, that is only one.
yes.
હા, તો એને તો જે પોર્ટ નંબર માંથી એક્સેપ્ટ કરતું હોય એમાંથી જ કરશે.
ઓકે, એટલે એક જ સર્વર છે એટલે પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે છે.
હા, અત્યારે આપણી પાસે ઇન્ટરનલ એક છે ને એટલે. પણ હા, તમે એવું કરી શકો કે એક સર્વરમાં એવું ટ્રાય કરી, એક જ સર્વર છે વિથ વન સિંગલ પોર્ટ નંબર રાઈટ નાઉ, એન્ડ યુ ક્રિએટ મલ્ટિપલ ક્લાયન્ટ. એવું થયું?
yes I will do it.
હા, એ થઈ જશે. તમે આને આજ કોપી કરજો ક્લાયન્ટનો, client2.java, and suppose client 1 is saying that hello server, client 2 will say that how are you, then you will get it back, both the things you will get it.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we are right now in the single machine which is accepting the request from the same port.
Okay.
અને તમે એક જ ID, એક જ ઇન્ટરફેસ થી અત્યારે કમ્યુનિકેટ કરો છો. Is it okay, Pranav?
Yes.
Agreed with the things? Fine.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, બીજો કોઈ doubt? Or shall I proceed with the another one?
Proceed, ma'am.
Okay, fine, great. ચલો હવે my screen is open. હા, તમે UDP નો try કરી લીધું, datagram socket and datagram server, which we did in lecture. Have you tried that or not? Or should I give you those programs again? UDP has been tried by all of you. See, it is very difficult for me to test. Okay, fine. If you have tried that UDP, that's fine. Then let us proceed. I want answer from each and every one of you, please. There will be few students. See, as a faculty now I can judge that there are few students which will do all the things without telling also. એ લોકો એવા હશે કે જેને મારે નહીં કહેવું પડે કે આ કરો. They will try by themselves. But for some students I have to pinpoint every time કે તમે કર્યું. So I don't want that. કારણ કે નહીં તો એમાં જ એક એકનું નામ લેવામાં જ આપણો ટાઈમ જશે ને આપણે આગળ નહીં કરી શકીએ. So please try it, and if you have tried it, at least in chat box say yes so that I can know that you have tried. And To any one of you, I will tell you to share your screen to get the output or the problems which you are facing. So you have to try. Okay, now let me proceed the second one. Try it. Fine, great to see that. Now let us focus on now the next programs. Okay, the programs are ready with you. Right now I'm closing this URL because right now it is not needed. Okay, fine. Now the both server and client is in front of you. Now I'm giving you one definition. You just modify this to program in such a way that there will be communication between server and the client. The client will send some text. The client will send some text. Says example the same text. Hello server. Now server will receive that particular text. Server will receive that particular text. It will convert it into uppercase. And then it will send that data again to that client. And client will print that uppercase data returned by server. I repeat the question. I repeat the scenario. What you need to do, client will send some text to server, any string. Server will read that string. અહીંયા સુધી તો આ બે સિનારીઓ સેમ જ છે. See this. અહીંયા સુધી આ સિનારીઓ સેમ છે. Client will send the string, server will read the string. જે સર્વર રીડ કરે છે એને અપર કેસમાં કન્વર્ટ કરશે અને અપર કેસ કરી અને એ સર્વર છે ઈ અપર કેસ જે ડેટા કન્વર્ટ થયું છે ઈ પાછો ક્લાયન્ટને સેન્ડ કરશે અને ક્લાયન્ટ શું કરશે ઈ અપર કેસ જે એને મળેલું છે ઈ એને just system.out.println console ઉપર પ્રિન્ટ કરશે. Is it okay? Do you understand the question? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just try it. I'm giving you 5 minutes to try this. If not, then we will do it together. I'm giving you 5 minutes to try the things which I told you. Server and client is communicating, both way communication. Client is sending a string, server is reading that string. Or rather, let me tell specifically, more technically. Client is writing the string, server is reading the string. Then server is converting it to upper text and writing the string. And in client is reading the string and it will print the string. Do it. અડધું તો તમારી પાસે already છે. હજી થોડુંક હજી add કરવાનું છે. Think for a while. I'm giving you 5-7 minutes to code this. And then tell me what you achieved, whether you are getting the output or not. This half 50% program, or almost I should say 70%, 80%, કારણ કે આમાં hint already આમાં છે જ. Next portion ની પણ hint આમાં જ છે. તો ઈ જે છે એટલે almost 80% program તમારી પાસે છે. ખાલી તમારે 20% add કરી અને કરવાનું છે. So try it for a while. Everyone should try. I will ask everyone to show the screen what you tried. See, don't worry if you are not getting, if you are wrong, if you are getting errors. We are here to learn only. આપણે શીખવા જ આવ્યા છીએ એટલે ભૂલ પડે ઈ તો સારું. ભૂલ પડે એનો મતલબ that you have tried it. So don't worry if the mistake. કારણ કે આ second program છે. See, you are not familiar with such kind of programs. No problem if you are having errors. But try. I want only one thing. You should genuinely try for the things. Almost 80% code આમાં જ છે. if you think logically. પહેલા રાઈટ, પછી સર્વરમાં રીડ, પછી સર્વરમાં રાઈટ, ક્લાયન્ટમાં રીડ. ધેટ્સ ઇટ. મેં તમને હિન્ટ આપી દીધી બધું. રીડ માટે તમારે શું જોઈએ, રાઈટ માટે શું જોઈએ, ઈ છે તમારી પાસે. And please remember, once connection is established, તો એકવાર રીડ રાઈટ થઈ જાય પછી કનેક્શન ક્લોઝ કરીને પાછું કનેક્શન એસ્ટાબ્લિશ ના કરવાનું હોય. Connection will be established only once and it will be closed only once after everything is done. ઈ મલ્ટિપલ રીડ રાઈટ હોય તોય વાંધો નહીં. કનેક્શન પહેલી સૌથી પહેલા એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરવાનું અને બધી જ વસ્તુ પૂરી થઈ જાય, રીડ રાઈટ રીડ રાઈટ રીડ રાઈટ જેટલી પણ વાર હોય, જેટલું કમ્યુનિકેશન હોય એ બધું થઈ જાય પછી કનેક્શન ક્લોઝ કરવાનું. So majority of the hints are given to you. Everyone should try. Once you are having output or any error, please tell me. And please use editors either, and if you don't have anything, you can use command prompt for this. Everyone is trying, right? What does bind exception refer? See, if you are, if I'm presenting the screen, it won't be possible for me to see the chat. So if you are having errors or doubts, please unmute yourself and ask me. What does bind exception refer? See, there must be problem with the connection, Reshma. Or you can show me your screen. I will tell you what exactly it is. If you have any query, doubt, suggestion, please unmute yourself and then ask me. Chat, I won't be able to see the chat because I've shared my screen. Or if you have the code with you, I'll unshare it. Three minutes more, then we'll start doing together. Is it done? Anyone? You just have to add 3-4 lines in both the programs, not more than that. And your job will be done. Okay, okay, Reshma, good. Yes, anyone completed? Or should I help? If you are stuck somewhere else, please tell me so that we can solve it quickly.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah,
There
sure,
is
sure.
connection and service problem.
Okay, okay, share your screen.
Ma'am, can you see?
No, I'm not able to see. તમે કયું ઓપ્શન રાખ્યું છે પ્રેઝન્ટ નાઉમાં યોર સ્ક્રીન ઈ કરજો ફર્સ્ટ ઓપ્શન.
Okay. Done?
હા હવે આવ્યું. યસ.
અહીંયાથી સર્વર ઇઝ વેઇટિંગ ફોર ક્લાયન્ટ.
ઓકે ઓકે.
એટલું રન થઈ જાય છે પછી ત્યાંથી કનેક્શન આગળ નથી થતું.
ક્લાયન્ટ રન કરો. ક્લાયન્ટમાં જાઓ. એરર શું આપે છે પેલા જો સી જ્યાં સુધી એરર હશે ને ત્યાં સુધી કમ્પાઇલ જ નહીં થાય. આ રેડ કલર વાળું ના આવવું જોઈએ. આ રેડ કલર વાળું છે ને એરર છે.
ઓકે. આ તો મેમ અત્યારે કરેલું છે અપરકેસ.
હા એટલે આ તો હજી સિમ્પલ પ્રોગ્રામ જ છે ને.
હા સિમ્પલ છે. હા કનેક્ટેડ ટુ સર્વર આવી ગયું. પછી હેલો
હા હવે
સર્વર
સર્વરમાં હેલો સર્વર શેમાં આવશે.
સર્વર.
હા સર્વરમાં જાઓ. પહેલા સર્વર રન કરજો પછી ક્લાયન્ટ રન કરો. bind exception address already in use. Just a second. Server socket accept. ડેટાગ્રામમાં જાઓ તો ડેટાગ્રામ વાળામાં અહીંયા ખુલ ઓપન જ છે ફાઇલ એમાં જોઈ લો ફાઇલ ઓપન જ છે. નો
ડેટા
નહીં
સેટ
નહીં
સક્સેસફુલી.
મને રન કરવાની જરૂર નથી. જસ્ટ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ઓકે અહીંયા પોર્ટ બીજો યુઝ કર્યો છે ધેટ્સ ફાઇન. નેટબીન્સ ક્લોઝ કરી દો અને રીઓપન કરો. Yes, exit. Meanwhile, anyone else is getting the error or output? Please share. What Bharat is asking, ma'am, we will get S1 string in server, convert it to uppercase S1. Yes, send it to client. Correct. But Bharat, you are correct. Logically, it is everything perfect. But in both the case, you will have data input stream, data output stream, and at client side also you will have data input stream and data output stream. Correct, Bharat. The logic is correct. હવે કરો તો એક જાનવી run the server first. Okay, server is waiting for the client and then run the client. Connected to server. હવે સર્વર માં જાઓ, સર્વર ના આઉટપુટ માં જાઓ. नहीं, सर्वर ना आउटपुट में सी आउटपुट विंडो ओपन करो, नीचे थी आउटपुट विंडो ओपन करो. नो नीड टू एक्ઝિક્યુટ इट अगेन. आउटपुट विंडो नीचे थी ओपन करो. हाँ, હવે એમાં જો બીજું બે વાળું બે વિન્ડો જેવું હશે. આ ક્લાયન્ટ નું છે. ફર્સ્ટ વિન્ડો માં જાઓ. હા, આવી ગયું. ઓકે,
Client says hello.
done.
Okay, done.
Fine. Okay. Is there an now unshare your screen and proceed for the next today's question.
Okay.
Okay, is there anybody else who is getting the output or error? Ayush, Akshay, Pranav, Drashti, anyone? Parita, Reshma, anyone? Shivani? If you have any error or doubt, output, please share your screen so that I can check. Or should we start with I should help you in this? Now let's continue with doing the program together. Okay, let me open client and let me open server. Those who are not getting or still have the confusion how to do it, see here. See what our question was, that there is a client which is sending something to server, means client is writing. Now there is a server which is reading the content sent by this client. Once the content is ready with the server will convert it into uppercase, and again it will write the content to the stream, and client will read the converted text again. That is what the thing is. The first case ma first part ma શું થતું હતું, client is writing and server is reading. Second part ma હવે server is writing and client is reading. So you just have to do the opposite things which you did in part 1. So let us modify the program. Let me go to the server part first, because the first part has been over. Server client has returned the content on the stream and server has already read. I have this content with me. I have the string with me which is saying hello server. Now what server will do? Now server has to write the content to the stream. But before writing, what server has to do? It has to convert that particular string into uppercase. So let me have one string variable, string s, or you can say upper, is equal to new, is equal to, what I have to do? I have to convert this into uppercase. Now we already know that there is a function to uppercase which is available with the string class. So what we will do, we'll just call that function to uppercase and our string will be converted into uppercase. Once the converted string is ready, what the server has to do? The server has to write the content on the stream now. And to write the content, which stream we will be using? We will be using data output stream. So let us copy this data output stream from here, and now will data output stream be out. That is fine if you use the same, because this both are having different scope, so same variable will be fine. So d out is equal to data output stream s dot get data output stream, and here instead of instead of yes, we have used the same variable here s. Okay, fine. So s get data output stream. Now what we have to write, d out is equal to, sorry, d out dot write utf, and what we are supposed to write, the converted string. The converted string is stored in the upper variable, and that's it. We have returned into the stream. Server job is over. What it will do, d out dot, you can use this flush function to flush out the data which is there inside the stream. If you don't use, then also it's fine, but sometimes it is necessary to clear the content if you are further communicating with server and client and all. So if further communication is needed, it is good practice to flush the content which is there. So d out dot flush, the entire thing is flushed. Now what we will do, we will close everything, every connection which is there. So we will close the server. Our server variable is ss, so we will not accept the thing, and we will also close the connection, the unique connection which we have established in this client and server. Now once the writing part is done by the server, let us come to the client part. Now what client has to do? It has to read. Now read means which data, which class? Data input stream, because we have to read it. So let us use data input stream. We will get the content from the input stream, and what we will do, we'll get the content from the input stream, and just you can print the message system dot out dot println converted text is, just you write what we can write is, you can say upper. I can also use the same variable here, upper, and what I will do is, first of all, let me read it into upper. String upper is equal to, I will read it through din dot read utf, and that's it. Read utf, it is there inside my upper variable. Now I can close every session, everything, every connection, and server and socket both. So that is fine. I will close din stream also, din dot close, and that's it. Let me run this program. Let me have the new project in NetBeans itself. I think we did client server, right? So let us open the project. Open the project here. Okay, let me create a fresh project, because there is first client server examples. Now we will do everything in client server examples. Finish. So project has been created. Now let me create two files. Java class, client upper, finish, and let me have server also, server upper. That's it. Let me copy the content in both. This is my server. Control C. There are no errors. Great. Let me go to client part. And no errors here also. So let us run. Let us run the server first. Running the file. Server is waiting for the client. Let us run the client file. Connected to server. Converted text is hello server. See, this is what we sent. Hello servers. Everything was not in the uppercase. This particular string went to server. Get it itself converted into uppercase. Server wrote the thing inside data output stream, and on the other side client read that particular up converted string, and it has just printed into the console. So this is all about communicating. So it's a kind of a two-way communication between client and a server, where only one message is right now, one message is exchanged between server and client. So whenever you are communicating with a server and client, the machine which is reading should have the data input stream. The machine which has to write, that should be data output stream. If both are reading and both are writing, both should have data input stream and data output stream. Is it correct? Is it okay, everyone? Please reply so that I can understand you all are with me and you are doing your job. Everyone? Okay. Should I share the screen? Should I give you the code? Show me the output. I want the output of each and every one of you. As it is the first program which you are doing by your own, I want to see the output of each one of you. Good, everyone. Share your screen as and when you are done with the code. Please share your screen. Right now I am sharing the code with you. This is server and this is client. This notepad would be easier to share. Please do it. Shall I proceed, everyone? If this is done, let us modify this program. A little bit. Let us modify this program a little bit, but I can't proceed further unless and until all of you tell me that, madam, we are done with the code. Show me the code, everyone. Show me the status right now. Akshay, what is the status? Please unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Connection is established, but I didn't get message, so I am trying to close the network.
Okay. Let's share your screen. If we together can do it, it would be better.
Ma'am, I am doing from mobile, so I can't share it.
Oh, bapre. Mobile માં કરો છો?
No.
Okay, fine. Meeting mobile માં છે. Meeting mobile માં છે. Fine. But try to connect.
Done. I close the NetBeans and
હા ઘણી વાર એવું થાય કે તમારું પોર્ટ કે એવી ઇન્ટરનલ પોર્ટ થઈ ગયું ને નેટવર્ક વાળું તો થઈ જાય. ફાઇન, ડન અક્ષય?
યસ મેમ.
એટલે તમને કન્વર્ટેડ માં આવી જાય છે? અપર કેસ માં આવી ગયું?
હા, યસ મેમ.
ઓકે. ફાઇન. પણ હવેથી નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ થી લેપટોપ માં જોઈન થજો. Then and then only you can share your screen, correct? તો મને ખબર પડે કે તમે કરો છો. See, I don't doubt you, but I just want to confirm કે no, you are doing. કારણ કે આ વર્ચ્યુઅલ છે એટલે it is very difficult to judge કે ખરેખર તમે કરો છો કે નહીં, ખરેખર થાય છે કે નહીં. બરાબર?
Ma'am, I joined from laptop, so I can now.
Fine. Thank you, Akshay. Okay, Meet ને શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે? સર્વર પ્રોગ્રામ. Okay, let me stop sharing my screen so that everybody. Let me come to you one by one. Akshay નું જોઈ લઉં, પછી Meet, I will come to you. I'll make નથી વિઝિબલ નથી સ્ક્રીન. અક્ષય, તમે પ્રેઝન્ટ નાઉ કરો ને ત્યારે યોર સ્ક્રીન માં જજો. હા, હવે આવ્યું. યસ અક્ષય, show me. હા, visible અક્ષય. અક્ષય, તમારું NetBeans નથી દેખાતું. Shivani, wait for a while. Let me discuss with Akshay, then I'll move to. I want to see each and every one of your screen. So don't worry, I'll come to you. Akshay, NetBeans open કરો. આ તમારી Google Meet ની સ્ક્રીન છે. આ Google Meet ની સ્ક્રીન આવે છે. Yeah, I'll share both the programs. Don't worry, Meet. અક્ષય, શું પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે? અક્ષય, પ્રેઝન્ટ કરો ને ત્યારે પ્રેઝન્ટ યોર સ્ક્રીન, જે પહેલું ઓપ્શન છે ને યોર સ્ક્રીન, ઈ કરજો. ઈ જ કર્યું? તો જ છે ને બધી સ્ક્રીન આવશે, અધરવાઇઝ તમારું ખાલી લિમિટેડ સ્ક્રીન્સ આવશે. Anyone ready with the output? જે આઉટપુટ વાળા, જેને આઉટપુટ આવી ગયો છે એ મને કયો પહેલા, એટલે એ લોકોનું પહેલા જલ્દી પૂરું થઈ જાય. જે લોકોને આઉટપુટ આવી ગયું છે. ઓકે, રેશમા, જાનવી, you got the output. I'm talking about the output, that second output, converted string. ઈ વાળું આવી જવું જોઈએ આઉટપુટ બધાનું, જે અપર કેસમાં આવે. હેલો સર્વર અપર કેસમાં લખાઈને આવવું જોઈએ. અક્ષય, શું સ્ટેટસ છે?
Yes, ma'am. Right now it's showing.
Okay, જાનવી, ગુડ, ફાઇન. જાનવીનું તો મેં એકવાર જોઈ લીધું છે. અક્ષય, તમે ટ્રાય કરો તમારી સ્ક્રીન શેર કરવાની. થઈ જાય એટલે મને કહેજો. I am moving to some another student. આવ્યું અક્ષય, ફાઇન.
It's okay.
Yes, visible. હા, visible, great. ચલો, શું પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય છે? Yes, good. You got the output?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Very good. And Akshay, just a suggestion. આ નેટબીન્સ માં આટલા બધા છે ને, આટલા બધા પ્રોગ્રામ ને પ્રોજેક્ટ ઓપન ના રાખો. ઇટ માઇટ સ્લો યોર નેટબીન્સ. એટલે બાકી બધા ક્લોઝ કરી નાખો, ડિલીટ નહીં કરતા, ક્લોઝ કરી નાખો. એટલે અહીંયા તમારા ખોટે ખોટું મેમરી ઓક્યુપન્સી ના રહે અને બીજા કન્ફ્લિક્ટ્સ ના આવે. ફાઇન. ઓકે.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can unshare your screen and very good. You got the output. Great. Next, Ayush, can you share your screen? Akshay, stop
ma'am.
kari nakho. Presentation stop kar nakho.
Ma'am, I'm unable to run this. I don't know, due to some error, I'm sharing my screen.
Kai vandhu nahi. Yes. What's the error? Error se nahi આવે connection ની કે બીજી કોઈ logical error છે? Okay,
Bind exception.
Okay. Share your screen. I'll tell you. Meanwhile, those who have already finished, they have to do the next program. What you have to do, the client will, again it is a TCP based program. So you have a connection, socket and server socket. Now please understand, everyone understand this. પછી હું બધાની એક એકની એરર ચેક કરું એટલે બીજા કોઈનો જેનું થઈ ગયું છે એનો ટાઈમ વેસ્ટ ના થાય. Yes, the question is, the client has to send two numbers to server. બે નંબર મોકલવાના, 5 and 10. For example, 5 and 10. Two numbers server has to send. Now you have to think some little bit effort for this program. Client will send two numbers and e number user પાસેથી લેવાના, not static number 5 and 10 જેમ આમાં આપણે hello server string લઈ લીધી એમ. Client will send two numbers entered by user to server. Now server will get that number. It will add those two numbers in server itself and it will send the result to the client. And what client will do? It will print the addition which was returned by the server. મતલબ આપણે addition નો જ પ્રોગ્રામ કરવાનો છે. We will do addition program only but through client server. Number will be fetched, number will be asked from client. Both number will be sent to server. Server will add those two numbers and it will send the result to the client and client will print the result. This is a very simple addition program using client server. Those who have finished, those who got the output of this uppercase program, they can continue with this. આમાં થોડા concept core જવાના લગાડવા પડશે, તમારે યાદ કરવી પડશે તમારી initial labs. અને user પાસેથી લેવાનું છે values, નહીં કે એમનેમ static number દઈ દેવાના. Okay. Let us discuss your problem, Ayush. What are you are getting?
Ma'am, I don't know, maybe it asks for something like which is the main class of the program.
Okay, એક મિનિટ. એમને તમે client which is the, what is this client 1 error? Is this your program? Client 1.java?
Yes.
See, जब तक वो एरर होगी, वो रेड कलर का कुछ होगा मार्क, तब तक प्रोग्राम कुछ रन ही नहीं होगा. तो सी द एरर फर्स्ट. एरर कहाँ पे है?
Okay, sorry.
हाँ, जो माइक, यस. अभी करो, अभी सर्वर रन करो. JVM bind problem. उबर सर्वर में ज प्रॉब्लम છે. Address already. What is this? My client and my server. Open these two program.
The previous ones, ma'am.
Yes,
which
yes,
was in the
yes.
first lab.
Okay. You have used the same port?
Yes.
Okay. And where these two programs are? My server and my client. वो कौन से package में है?
My first client server.
Okay, okay. You close this particular project. First client server वाला close कर दो project. Right करके close. Okay. Fine. अभी वापस server run करो. Okay, fine. This program is also having. Fine. Run मत करो project. You cancel this? Yes. Go to the file. Server1.java. Yes. And run the file. व्हाट इज द वार्निंग रिटर्न देयर? ये यहाँ पे सर्वर सॉकेट वाला वो येलो कलर का है, वो दिखाओ ऊपर ऊपर। ओके, दैट इज नॉट द इश्यू। वो T3E1 में क्या है, वो एरर है कुछ?
I tried one web application.
मींस इसका नहीं है ना, कुछ नेटवर्क का नहीं है ना?
No,
हाँ, दैट्स फाइन।
I'm closing.
ओके ओके। और ये प्रोग्राम 20 में क्या है, उसमें भी नेटवर्क का नहीं है ना कुछ?
No.
ओके, close everything which is not needed right now. It might create problem. ओके, अभी ये प्रोजेक्ट को राइट क्लिक करो, अभी क्लीन एंड बिल्ड करो, थर्ड ऑप्शन। Those who have already finished, please start that addition program. Client will get the two numbers from user. Now you already know how to take the values from user. Take the values from users, write to the stream, server will read those two numbers and server will send the result to the client. Why it is very slow, Ayush?
Not sure, ma'am.
Do one thing, close the NetBeans and start it again. It might be much more quick. Yes. Okay. Exit. Anyone completed the output? I just saw the output of Akshay and Janvi. I want to see for all of you. Please be ready with the output quickly so that we can proceed. Drashti, good. If you have done good. Fine. Great. Chalo, great. So just quickly, those who have finished, share your screen one by one. After Ayush problem is resolved, so share your screen one by one. Je loko ne output avi gyu chahiye, so that we can finish quickly. Sarthak, Yash, I hope you will be doing that, or your Parita. ભરત, આ બધું યાદ રાખીને નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ કરવાનું છે, હા? Ayush, it is way too slow. You have 4 GB RAM?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
might be the software is corrupted.
No, that's not the case. કેમ કે પહેલા તમારે રન થયું તું ને ઇનિશિયલી?
મેં NetBeans યુઝ નથી કર્યું, હું ડાયરેક્ટ કન્સોલ માંથી કરતો હતો.
Then also it's fine. અને તો એવું હોય તો કન્સોલ માં બતાવી દો. ચલો, તો એરર તો રિઝોલ્વ થઈ જાય. આમાં ટાઈમ વેસ્ટ ન થાય. તમે અનશેર કરો સ્ક્રીન ને. તમે ઓકે ફાઇન. તમારું થઈ ઓપન છે? હા, ઇટ ઓપન રાઈટ. ચલો કરો, ઓપન કરો અને સર્વર રન કરો. ડિરેક્ટલી અહીંયા જાઓ, સર્વર 1.java ત્યાં જ લઈ લો. યસ, ડોન્ટ રન, કારણ કે રન કરશો ને તો બંનેમાં મેઇન છે.
ઓકે,
બંનેમાં મેઇન છે ને, તમારા પ્રોજેક્ટમાં એકમાં જ મેઇન હોવું જોઈએ. તો આ રન બંધ કરી નાખો. અહીંયા રન લખેલું છે ને આઉટપુટમાં, ક્લોઝ ધીસ. આ એક્ઝિક્યુશન થાય છે, આ બંધ કરી દો. એન્ડ કરો, નીચે આઉટપુટમાં જાઓ. આઉટપુટમાં
ઓકે,
ઈ એન્ડ કરો. યસ, ફાઇન. હવે આ ફાઇલ રન કરો. આયુષ નોટપેડ માં દેખાડવું હોય તોય ચાલશે કારણ કે આમાં બહુ સ્લો છે.
મેમ હું ઓપન કરું તો પછી નોટપેડ માં.
હા કરો. મીનવાઇલ તમારી અનશેર કરો. હા ફાઇન. ચલો હુ ઇઝ રેડી? શેર યોર સ્ક્રીન ક્વિકલી. Who is ready? Share your screen quickly. કોણે કોણે કીધું તું? પરિતા, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ચલો શિવાની કરે. Okay, meet. Everybody be in queue. અત્યારે શિવાની છે, પછી મીત, દ્રષ્ટિ, પરિતા. આવી રીતે જોઈન થઈ જજો ક્વિકલી. ચલો મને આઉટપુટ દેખાડી દો સીધું આઉટપુટ. Go to the client and રન કરેલો રેડી રાખજો. આઉટપુટમાં સીધું આઉટપુટ જોવું છે. પેલા સર્વર રન કરો પછી થાય ને આઉટપુટ કનેક્શન. રન ધ સર્વર ફર્સ્ટ. रन करो. रन
यस मैम रन कर रही हूँ.
हाँ वो नहीं रन फाइल करो. सी वो रन तभी करना यूज जब पूरा प्रोजेक्ट को रन करना है. राइट नाउ वी आर कंसर्न्ड विथ 2 फाइल्स ओनली. तो रन फाइल करो. प्रोजेक्ट कब करना है मैं आपको बोलूंगी. Why it is taking too much time? See, keep your output ready. Don't execute in front of me. I need your output only. So Meet, Drashti, Parita, keep your output ready. शिवानी स्टॉप करो शेयरिंग को स्टॉप करो और आउटपुट आए तब बोलना. ओके शिवानी स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. And if your NetBeans is taking too much time, go to the command prompt and show me the output. Yes, Meet. Be ready with your output. Drashti, execute our program and show me the output directly. I don't want. और रन फाइल करना, रन प्रोजेक्ट मत करना. वो ट्रायंगल वाला मत दबाना अभी. वो कब दबाना है मैं आपको बोलूंगी. Yes, हर्ष कोई भी जो भी रेडी है प्लीज शेयर योर स्क्रीन क्विकली. आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम.
I'm done. It's
yes,
done.
Yes, done. You are getting the output.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's okay. Chalo. No need to share now. Fine, Ayush. Meet, who is presenting? Okay, chalo. Drashti, avi ja. Show me the output. Great, Drashti. I can see. Good. Fine. There is one suggestion for all of you that in your NetBeans would be heavy software. So the projects which you are not working right now, please close those projects. Great, Drashti. Now, who is presenting? Meet, Drashti, Vora, Parita, Harsh. Anyone can present. Resh,
Ma'am?
हाँ जी बोलो.
Ma'am, I am using phone, but I can switch camera and show you the output.
हाँ, yes. Do it.
Ma'am, is it visible?
No.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
No, it is blur बेटा. Visible છે પણ blur છે. It is bit clearer. Fine. Yes, I can see. Great. Good. Fine. Good, Reshma. Next, anyone?
Ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, actually, I have done the code in the laptop and I'm connected to the mobile. But and the second thing is that I have altered that code to do that integer one.
Oh, in the same program you did that?
Yes, ma'am. Because
Okay,
I'm
then
not
okay,
working
fine.
NetBeans.
Fine.
So
તો મને એનું output બતાવી દો.
no, ma'am, I am facing some problem.
Fine.
Means how can I transfer that integer values from my client to the server?
See, you will use the same function write UTF, correct?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will use the write UTF 2 times. First of all, you will ask the user that enter first number.
Yes, ma'am. Two values here.
The user will enter the first number, and what I told that you have to take the values from the user. Now, how can you take the values from user? Which class will help you?
Scanner class.
Great. So you take the scanner class, you use the function write, next or next line, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You use the next or next line. The user will enter the first number, and you use the write UTF and send the data to server. Then again you ask the user that enter second number. Again you scan the second number in another variable. Again you use the write UTF and send to the server. Is it fine?
Ma'am, my server program has been run, but in the client program, it is showing that error that int cannot be converted to string. Int
Yes.
UTF.
Yes, that's what I am coming to. So you will use the next function. You will take two numbers and you will write two numbers on the stream d out. So server is getting both the numbers in the form of string, correct? S1 and S2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
but it is not converted.
Now you have sent suppose 5 and 10. But this 5 and 10 is in the form of string. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. We have to convert that into string.
How to convert string into integer?
Ma'am, by putting that bracket string.
No. That's what I told you, that you have to go to the initial labs of core Java. Remember when we are doing that command line arguments, integer.parseInt.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. See, typecast कब हो सकता है? जब टाइप कंपैटिबल हो. यहाँ पे क्या है? एक स्ट्रिंग है जो क्लास है और एक प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप है, करेक्ट? तो वो आप टाइपकास्ट यूज नहीं कर सकते. इंटीजर, कैरेक्टर, बाइट, उसमें आप टाइपकास्ट यूज कर सकते हो आगे ब्रैकेट लगा के, बट स्ट्रिंग में नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वो एक क्लास है, वो ऑब्जेक्ट है.
ओके मैम, सो आई विल ट्राई.
यस, नो इश्यू. integer.parseInt से कन्वर्ट करो, दो नंबर में उसका एडिशन करो और देन यू सेंड द नंबर.
ओके मैम.
ट्राई इट.
यस मैम, आई एम ट्राइंग.
Okay. Next one, who is ready? Shivani, you got the output? Great. I can see. Fine. Unshare your screen. Good. Next, who is there in the queue? Harsh. There were many of you who were telling that done ma'am. And please, one more suggestion to you all, that whatever program we are doing, if it is the modification of the same program, still you do save as and do it, so that you can understand that what different things or small modifications we learned different things. Don't do everything in the same program. You use save as, copy paste hi kar do, use save as and do the modification. Yes, Harsh is presenting. Harsh, tell me. Client says ये अपर केस में कन्वर्ट कहाँ हुआ? हो गया, चलो, great हर्ष. ओके. अभी डे 1 चल रहा है हर्ष आपका, है? अभी डे 1 के फोल्डर में ही हो आप. फाइन. यस
मैम, मेरा भी हो गया.
किसका हुआ? मीत? हाँ बोलो. शो योर स्क्रीन.
आपको नहीं दिख रही मैम?
नहीं दिख रही. दृष्टि is presenting. Wait, you cannot present. Let her finish. Great, Drashti. Fine. Good. Fine. Unshare your screen. Now Meet, you present.
मैम यहाँ योर एंटायर स्क्रीन में जाना है ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन वहां पे
ओके।
क्लिक करो और शेयर।
दिख रहा है मैम?
नहीं दिख रहा। યોર સ્ક્રીન કરશો ને પછી પાછું એક ઓપ્શન, હા હવે દેખાય છે. યસ,
अब दिख रहा है मैम?
हाँ दिख रहा है. ओके, यू गॉट, फाइन, गुड
Yes.
गुड गुड, फाइन. Unshare your screen, great. Now who is remaining? Kevin, both Drashti, Ayush, Akshay, Manoj, પ્રણવ થઈ ગયું? પ્રણવે કરી લીધું? I don't remember.
યસ મેમ, એડિશન પ્રોગ્રામ પણ થઈ ગયો છે.
થઈ ગયો, ગ્રેટ. ચલો સેવ એસ કરીને કરજો, એટલે નાની નાની વસ્તુ આપણને યાદ રહેશે એમાં કઈ શીખ્યા.
યસ યસ.
અને કા છે
બીજું
ને
ટાસ્ક તમે
comment
શું આપ્યું હતું?
આ જ એડિશન વાળું.
રિપીટ કરશો મેમ, મારું ધ્યાન નહોતું ત્યારે.
હા, what you have to do is your client will send two numbers to server.
Okay.
And server will perform the addition of the two numbers and return the result to the client.
Okay, got it, ma'am.
But you have to do some manipulation here, because the data which you will send will be in the form of strings.
Yeah.
And as you are performing addition, your string should be converted into numbers first.
Integer. First
Yes,
of all, we'll
yes.
have to break the string, separate the numbers.
Not separate. दो अलग अलग ही टाइप, दो अलग अलग आप डेटा सेंड करोगे तो सेपरेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत है. सेपरेट क्यों नहीं करना? क्योंकि पहला एक नंबर राइट कर दोगे, फिर दूसरा नंबर मांगोगे, दूसरी बार राइट करोगे तो ऑलरेडी डेटा तो दो ही जाएगा. सेपरेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दो बार आपको क्लाइंट में दो बार आपको राइट फंक्शन, राइट यूटीएफ फंक्शन यूज करना पड़ेगा.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, try it. Yes, who is Pranav? થઈ ગયું?
યસ મેમ, યસ એડિશન પ્રોગ્રામ પણ થઈ ગયો.
ઓકે, તમે ડી આઉટ રાઈટ થી જ કર્યું યુટીએફ? ફાઇન ફાઇન ફાઇન. સો ક્લાયન્ટ ઇઝ શોઈંગ. સર્વર બતાવો.
સર્વર
bin ડોટ રીડ. અચ્છા, તમે રીડ અને રાઈટ જ લઈ લીધું. ધેટ્સ ફાઇન. તો બી ચાલશે, તો બી ચાલશે. પણ મારે એકચ્યુઅલી આ કન્વર્ઝન કરાવવું હતું.
ઓકે.
ઇન કેસ કદાચ કોઈ સ્ટ્રિંગ આવે અને તમારે નંબર્સ હોય તો શું કરવાનું? બટ ધેટ્સ ફાઇન. if you remember that concept કે સ્ટ્રિંગ ને ઇન્ટીજર માં કેમ કન્વર્ટ કરવાની, then it's fine. તે તો યાદ છે ને?
હા હા, અને આ છે અપર સ્ટ્રિંગ વાળા.
હા હા હા, ધેટ્સ ફાઇન. હવે ઓલો થઈ ગયો એટલે આ થઈ જ ગયું હોય. આઈ કેન અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ. ફાઇન, ગુડ ગુડ, ગુડ જોબ, ગુડ જોબ. ઓકે,
થેન્ક યુ.
ઓકે, હુ ઇઝ લેફ્ટ નાઉ? ઋત્વિક, સાર્થક, તમારી સ્ક્રીન નથી જોઈ મેં. યશ, I'm waiting for your response. Yash, Sarthak, Rutvik, show me your screen.
Hello.
हाँ.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
visible, visible. दिखाड़ो.
Okay, so here is the output.
You got? Great. चलो,
Yeah,
सरस
I
सरस.
got the output.
हाँ, અને ઓલો હજી બાકી ના એડિશન વાળો?
Yes, ma'am.
Do
That
it.
is left
Okay,
out.
fine. Do it. Good. So Yash has shown the output. હવે મને સાર્થક અને ઋત્વિક નું જોવું છે. What is the status? See, સાર્થક, ઋત્વિક, error આવતી હોય તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં. We are here to solve. No issue. But you should be familiar with how to code. મારે ખાલી ઈ જ એમ છે. આઉટપુટ ના આવે right now, that's okay.
મેમ
હા
हेलो
હા બોલો બોલો સંભળાય છે બોલો અક્ષય
मैम ऋत्विक को नेटवर्क एरर आ रहे हैं तो वो नहीं बता सकता
अच्छा we'll wait for some time and then I'll ask him okay તો હવે સાર્થક શું સ્ટેટસ છે
यस मैम हो रहा है
ओके कहाँ तक हो रहा है और क्या हो रहा है Yes, Sarthak, what is the problem? Can you show
Yes,
the
ma'am.
screen?
Yes.
Can you show your screen? Sarthak?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ હર્ષ
And 2 number addition program done.
થઈ ગયું સરસ
Yes.
કેવી રીતે કર્યું
I've also done that.
Ma'am,
program.
in similar way, but I didn't convert it in the way you. I just
Ma'am,
used
I'm
read.
sharing the screen. Means
okay
I'm
you use the
camera.
simple read function read and write
Yes, exactly.
Ma'am,
okay okay fine then fine हाँ जी
now I've switched on the camera and there's the
yeah
output.
yeah
As you can see that,
yeah I can see fine enter
ma'am,
number
till
one
here it is the first program till here, and now it is the second program. That
yes
addition of that.
yes fine
It's getting
fine
okay.
you got the addition
Yes, ma'am.
the addition answer should be in client correct Vaibhav it is in client only
Addition answer, ma'am. I've sent that 2 numbers from the client to the server, and the
correct
server is getting that 2 numbers and showing the showing it. Means
yes
server is
yes
showing.
Yes, yes. What you have to do after doing addition by the server has to send the data back to the client.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
your
I'm
answer should be in client, correct. Rest,
okay.
everything is correct. So
Thank you.
majority, Manoj, I haven't seen anything from your side. Manoj, what is your status?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I am going to present in school.
Yes, Manoj. I can't hear you, Manoj.
Yes, ma'am. I am presenting. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
This is the output.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
And this is
good, correct, Manoj. Next you did addition થઈ ગયું કે બાકી છે?
બાકી નથી.
Fine. Addition આમાં modify કરી, save as કરી program, આમાં modify કરી and just do it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so majority all of you are getting the output, and now I think everyone is familiar to you how to connect, how to establish the connection, and how to transfer and communicate between two way also, not single way, but two way also is now comfortable with all of you. So what you have to do is we will have tutorial number 1, but I think the programs will be bit difficult for you. I have to be there for discussion. So what we are doing is, let me show you the okay. Let me give you one more question for today's lab, and then I will give you the homework question. So when we will be there in next lab, majority of the things is completed for networking, and then we can start with the another unit. So let me give one more. Okay, so I'm giving you the questions you have to do. The syllabus is there with you. I have uploaded it. Question number 1, question number 2, that can also be done by you. I'll share the questions. Question number 1, question number 2, then question number 3.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yeah, I know. I'm just writing the question inside Notepad and I want to share with you. I know. Okay. So let me share now. See, this is what you have to do for your homework. For first question number 1 and question number 2, I have already told you how to do, and we did the same thing in lecture also, URL class and URL connection class. So 1 and 2, almost majority of you can do it because we entire program we discussed in lecture. The third program which is there, write a two-way network-based chat application. It will use TCP/IP protocol and it will do communication in serial manner. Means what you have to do, you have to create actual chat application. Now you know how to communicate, how to do chat. Client says something, server replies. Client says something, server replies. Now you know it. But it is a chat application. Chat means it should be continuously carried out unless and until some either client or either server says that over, I don't want to communicate further. So what you have to do is, you have to do chat, you have to perform a chat application, client and server, and you can use any criteria to end that. For example, if any of the machine, either server or client, says stop, you will communicate, or unless and until the server or client, any one of them says stop, till that time you will communicate. दोनों में से कोई भी अगर स्टॉप बोलता है, स्टॉप स्ट्रिंग आती है, तब आपको कनेक्शन क्लोज करके वो प्रोग्राम को एंड करना है. सो इन अ वे इट इज एन एक्चुअल रियल टाइम चैट एप्लीकेशन. कब तक चलेगी? सो इट विल बी इन कंटिन्यूअस व्हाइल लूप. कब तक चलेगी वो? जब तक ईदर क्लाइंट या सर्वर दोनों में से कोई भी एक बोलेगा कि स्टॉप, आई डोंट वांट टू कम्युनिकेट. सो are you getting the question what you have to do? Everyone? If server is telling that yes, if server is telling stop, the chat application should exit. If client is telling stop, then the server, this application should exit. Okay? यहाँ से client बोलेगा hi, तो server बोलेगा hello. Client बोलेगा how are you? Server बोलेगा I am fine. So it's a serial communication. Parallel नहीं है. Parallel मतलब दोनों एक साथ communicate करें. You know that.
Ma'am, we have to take the string from the user.
Yes, yes. Every time user will enter the string because it is a chat, right?
Yes,
it's a
ma'am.
chat. Yes, so it's a live chat. तो हर बार user जो भी उसको पूछना है, बात करनी है, वो user देगा, वो आपको send करना है. Client बोलेगा, reply देगा, and it will do. और server पर भी आपको user entered string लेनी है, client में भी user entered string लेनी है, तो ही आप actual chat environment establish करोगे. और once that is established, connection is established, कोई भी एक अगर stop बोलता है तो connection should be closed. So this is what.
कब तक दिखाना है मैम?
हाँ जी,
कब तक ये शो करना है आपको?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ये अभी हो जाता है, अभी स्टिल वी हैव हाफ एन आवर.
ओके.
इसलिए सबका वो इंटीजर वाला नहीं हुआ एडिशन का, तो आई कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि सब मुझे आज ही बताओ. लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी विल मीट, till this program, there must be all the soft copies should be ready for simple client server application, for this UDP, for TCP, for two-way communication which we did today, for addition, for URL class, for URL connection class, and this chat application. Is it okay? Right now I think you have only one technical subject which you have to give time, otherwise there is seminar and RE, so I don't think so they will occupy your major time. So right now we have only one subject to prepare majorly, so dedicate the time. Till this you can complete, and those who complete this also, they can go to the syllabus and they can complete the rest of the tutorials if they can. See, almost जो मेजर पोर्शन था हमारा कवर करने के लिए वो सब कर दिया है. Now you just have to apply your core Java logic to manipulate the questions. That's it. क्योंकि नेटवर्क का जो फंडा था वो हमने डिस्कस कर दिया है. तो your minimum task, your minimum what you can say, minimum number of programs for next lab should be till this chat application. अगर टाइम मिलता है, अगर आपका हो जाता है यहाँ तक, then go to the syllabus and do all the networking programs. If you dedicate some amount of time every program will be easily done. And if not, we will discuss all the other programs in next lab. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So those who want, they can continue with these programs, or first complete that address program, addition program. And I'm coming in a minute. So stay online. I'm coming in a minute. I'm keeping my screen shared so that you can get the things which you need to do. I'm coming in a minute. Yes, everyone. I'm back. So you are trying, everyone. Addition is done. Who is left with the addition yet? હજી કોઈને addition બાકી હોય તો? If it is still remaining, don't worry. Complete this in this lab. Try to complete addition program today itself so that you can resolve most of the errors, and then you can proceed with that chat application. And those who have finished everything, they can just complete this chat application. Try to get the logic behind the chat application, what we need to do. So that is what for this lab from my side. Now anything from your side, if you want to show or to discuss, then you are welcome. The program for chat application will be also very, very easy. Just you should know some file IO concept. It would be very, very easy. You need a while loop which will compare your entered string with stop. If it is stop, you have to close the connection. If either client says stop or server says stop, the program should end. Every time you have to use read and write for client and server. So data output stream, data input stream will be by default used every time because you want to communicate. And then you have to select the appropriate classes and functions for your specific requirement. See, for chat application, you want to deal with string data. So for string, you can use either buffered reader, buffered writer, so that multiple characters can be read and written at a time. So it would be easier and more optimal solution for chat. You read through buffered reader and put it on the data output stream. That's what the hint I can give you. So you can try for this thing. Still there will be few programs left. So next lab will be again for networking only. We won't be able to complete networking today. So anyone, any suggestion or anything to show, or all of you are trying?
Done, ma'am. Addition program is done.
Great, 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 Ayush. You can do in both the ways. Either you can use a simple read write function and you can do, or else you can use read write UTF, convert it into string, which would be sent as string, convert it into numbers using parsent, and then you can proceed. Both ways are correct. Good. Anyone wants to share the status, current status?
Yes, ma'am. Can I share my?
Yes, Shivani. You got the output?
No, ma'am. There is error.
Okay. Show me your screen.
Ma'am, it is visible?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, enter two integer after the addition will not count.
Let me see. This is your client, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Taking two numbers, integer A, integer B. But where are you writing those two integers? आपने यूजर के पास से वेरिएबल में ले लिया? नहीं, क्लाइंट में जाओ, वापस क्लाइंट में जाओ। ये यूजर के पास से ले लिया आपने, ए बी में स्टोर भी कर लिया, लेकिन अभी राइट नहीं किया ना, डी आउट डॉट राइट, ये ऐसा किया अभी कहीं पे भी?
नहीं।
हाँ, तो सर्वर को अभी मिला ही नहीं है। अभी इंटीजर बी के बाद लिखो, डी आउट डॉट राइट ए एंड देन डी आउट डॉट राइट बी। अब समझ में आया प्रॉब्लम? अरे अभी दो सर्वर के पास चले गए, फिर सर्वर ने दो रीड कर दिए, करेक्ट। सर्वर फाइन, सर्वर इज गेटिंग यस डी आउट डॉट। अभी देखो, चेक करो सर्वर पहले।
Ma'am, address already in use.
अच्छा, वो क्लीन और डीबग करो वापस। अब वो प्रोजेक्ट में जाओ, प्रोजेक्ट में एडिशन में राइट क्लिक करो, कुछ और रन हो रहा होगा आपका। प्रोजेक्ट में जाओ, प्रोजेक्ट जाए ना, वहां पे राइट क्लिक करो। वो एडिशन प्रोजेक्ट लिखा है ना, हाँ, वो ऊपर सोर्स पैकेज के ऊपर, यस, राइट क्लिक, क्लीन एंड बिल्ड। अभी करो, it should have build successful. Yes, now run it. Is it working now? Still it is giving error?
Yes, ma'am.
Your other, इसके पहले वाला प्रोग्राम कहाँ पे है?
मैम कौन सा?
इससे पहले कौन सा किया वो? अब हमने अपर केस लोअर केस वाला। हाँ, ये प्रोजेक्ट क्लोज करो आप। और एक और करो, यहाँ पे जो एडिशन वाला है उसमें पोर्ट नंबर चेंज कर दो, कोई भी लिख दो, 8888 ऐसा कुछ लिख दो। फाइन, ओके। अभी क्लीन और डीबग करो वापस।
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, it's done.
Done? Fine. So got the things, got the problems?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
so sometimes what you say, restarting the NetBeans can solve your issue, because your NetBeans, when you are doing this kind of projects and all stuff, there are so many temporary files created in background. So it might conflict or do some problems with your current project. So you can sometimes close the NetBeans and then do it. And as far as network is concerned, if you have binding problem, it is mostly due to this port number, because this port has already been used somewhere else. So it cannot accept for other type of request. That's it, Shivani. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, great job. Okay, you can unshare your screen. Okay, anybody else wants to share their status if it is done? Then I can be rest assured that no, everyone is doing well and I need not to worry about your progress. So I hope that majority of you have completed this also, this addition program also. And I'm very happy with your progress today and performance today. All of you have very nicely tried and got the output also and learned. And please remember the type of errors you are having and the solution is. So if this kind of error occurs, this can be the solution. So you should map the errors with the solution to get it resolved fast. So very great job, entire batch, and all the output was great. Everyone did very well except Bharat. So Bharat, I will next time in lab, I will see all the output till the chat application program. And if you find any issue in installing or doing problems for this networking till now, just contact me or message me in person so that I can help you from here. But I want to see all the outputs next time when we meet in lab on next Monday. So be ready with the programs. I hope that your machine will be gets recovery soon. Okay. Okay, fine, Bharat. So anything else? Any suggestion, dear students? Because we were there since 2 labs and I want your genuine opinion whether you are comfortable with this or not. See, if it is first lab, might be something new to you. You are not getting adjusted, or it is altogether a new environment. But now every lab will be in this type only, unless and until you are coming here and study. So is it okay, everyone? Comfortable, everyone? Good, Vaibhav. Thank you that you are attending and fine. Group, good, fine. So, and the only reason of seeing your screen is not the distrust that you are not doing and you are just attending as it is and you have just joined the meeting and you are doing something else. No, but to have a satisfaction that no, my students is learning through virtual platform also. That is what the main aim of seeing your screen, nothing else. And if possible, those who have joined with mobiles, if possible, in lab session, joined in lab only, so that your output will be visible. Because see, this was networking only, simple Java file was there and small programs were there. But when we'll move to the web development, we will have multiple files to interact with, and every file will have different kind of configuration data. So it would be difficult to see through mobiles, because I don't think so. I don't think that, and I'm not getting the proper output of mobile. I'm not able to read properly because of that blur and all network issue. So please try to join through laptop only for lab session at least.
Ma'am, one problem is there. If I join in a laptop, then mic problem is there, so I can't ask the
Oh,
questions.
that's what the fine. Okay. Yeah, that we have to manage the technicality also. Okay, but try to do it. If it is okay, if it is we cannot do it,
Vaibhav,
then there is no issue.
Yes.
you can connect with both the devices, laptop
Yeah,
and
you can,
mobile.
yes, you can connect with both the devices also. But
Okay.
then at
Yeah.
that time your network should be good enough. You should have a good data pack and good network then. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. Okay. Fine. So that's great. Great experience today also with you guys. And that's all from my side. Akshay, anything to say?
Ma'am,
Haji.
after 12:50, ma'am, Rutvik has a network problem, so he can't join it again. So
Okay,
can
no
you
issue.
make
No
it
issue.
present?
Yeah. No issue. Fine. Okay, so all of you take care. Goodbye and all the best. And see you tomorrow in lecture. Bye-bye. You may leave the meeting. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Take care.